Hello everyone. Today we will discuss chapter 1 class 6 RS Agrawal math, and the first chapter is number system. So today we will discuss about notation, numeral, numeration and place value and face value. Okay. Suppose I say write the 5. So someone's write 5 like this and someone like in word. Okay, so what is the notation? So notation is writing a number in figure. It's called notation. For example, this 5, it is the notation. Okay, any number written in figure is called notation. And next is numeration. So writing a number in word, for example, FIVE, so it show the numeration. So writing a number in word is called numeration. For example, 16, 5, 15, 200 and means in word. Then it called numeration. If we write any number in figure, then it is called notation. And next is numeral. What is numeral? To a group of digits denoting a number is called a numeral. For example, 715. This number has 3 digits. Another example is 8095 and 509, etc. A group of digits. In this number, there are 3 digits in a group of digits. It is also a group of digits. It is also a group digits. So it is called numeral. Okay. Now places according to Hindu Arabic system. First is ones. Second, tens. Third is 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore and so on, means 10 crore and so on. These are the places. Suppose a number is 4963758 digits 2 comes on ones places, 8 comes on 10 place, 5 comes 100 place, 7 comes 1000 and so on, 9 comes 10 lakh places and 4 comes crore places. So in this video we will learn face value and place value. So what is the face value? Face value is the same of any digits. For example, the face value of 2 is 2. The face value of 8 is 8. The face value of 5 is 5. The face value of 7 is 7. 3 is 3. 6 is 6. 9 is 9. 4 is 4. And other example, suppose I have any number. The value is 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 2. So the face value, in short, we will write FV, means face value of 2 is 2. The face value of 3 is 3. The face value of 6 is 6. The face value of 5 is 5. The face value of 4 is 4. And other 3's come. The face value of this 3 is also 3. What in case of place? It depends the place of the digits. For example, another example, same example, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 2. What will be the face value of digits 2? The 2 comes in place, one place. The face value of 2 will be 2 into 1. Because the value of one place is 1. The 2 1 ja 2. The place value of 2 is 2. What face value is 2? In second digits, यानी कि 10 place digits, the digits is 3. The face value of 3 is 3, but place value in this case will be, because 3 comes in 10 place, to multiply by 10, so will be 30. Similarly, in the face value of 666, what in place value will be, 6 comes in 100 place, so 6 into 100 is equal to 600. 5 comes 1000 place, तो प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ 5 will be 5 into 1000, 5 thousands. Okay na, understood? For same for 4, the face value of 4 is 4. What 4 comes in 10,000 place? The place value will be 4 into 10,000. The place value will be 40,000. Okay, 5 comes second time, sorry 3 comes second times. This 3 comes 10 place, so place value will be 3 into 10. But this 3 comes lakh place, so place value will be 3 into lakh. But face value of this 3 is also a 3. The face value will be same. What place value change time to time? It's depend the digits comes which place number. For example, this digits 3 comes lakh place. The place value of this 3 will be 1 lakh. Okay, so 1 lakh. Clear? I hope you understood very well the place value and face value. Okay. Okay, 3 into lakh, 3 lakh, not 1 lakh. Okay na? 3 lakh. Okay. So face value of a digits in a numeral. The face value of a digit remain as it is, whatever place it may be occupied in the place value chart. Means the face value will be same. For example, the face value of 4 is always 4. Okay, and the place value of a digits in a numeral depends upon the place it's occupied in the place value chart. जैसे हमने भी ऊपर एग्जाम्पल करे थे इससे पहले, है ना, सेम. तो आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड फेस वैल्यू एंड प्लेस वैल्यू. ओके, इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो वी विल डिस्कस इंटरनेशनल एंड नेशनल या इंडियन न्यूमरल सिस्टम. ओके, ठीक है. तो अब थोड़ा सा होमवर्क है, वो आपको करना है. ओके, so these are your homework. Solve question first and second. In first, write the face value of each digits. So means, suppose the one question is 3 4 5 7 6 2 0 1. So we will write the face value of each digits 1 0 2 6 7 5 4 3, है ना. And the question number 2, write the place value. So write the place value of each digits. For example, the place value of 6, write the place value of 0 8 4 3 9 2 7 or for all numbers. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.